Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I will introduce myself as it is my first video. I opened this channel because during this pandemic, many students have lost interest in studies, whatever the reason be. I am here for 10 SSC students. So SSC students, let's start chapter 1 of algebra, linear equations in two variables. And guys, please do like, share and subscribe my video if you think it was really helpful. So let's go. What is linear equations in two variables? Many students don't know basic, they just directly drag into the exercise. So we start with the basic introduction. An equation which contains two variables and the degree of each term containing variable is 1. Then it is called linear equations in two variables. Linear equations in two variables. Two variables in the sense two alphabets, two letters. And linear equations means the degree of that variable should be 1. So we see the example. For example, 4m plus 3n is equals to 12. Here m and n are two variables which have degree 1. So this is the linear equation in two variables. Next is 15x plus 17y is equals to 12. Here x and y are two variables and both the degrees is 1. Now we'll go to next exercise. Guys, please see this. 0x plus 6y minus 3 is equals to 0. Means actually the variable x is 0. So it means that there is only one variable which is 6y. 0 means nothing. 0 into anything is 0. So 6y and variable y is only 1. So it is not the linear equation in two variables. Then second is 4xy minus 5y minus 8 is equals to 0. 4xy. Here x and y. There are two variables and each of the degree is 1, 1. So it would be 1 plus 1 which is 2. So it is also not a linear equation. Then next 3x plus 2y is equals to 29. Yes, it is because they both are two variables and degree is 1. The next interesting one, root x plus root y is equals to 3. Can you tell me why it is not a linear equation? Because x ka degree is root. Root means 1.5. So half is not a degree which we want for linear equation. So half is not considered a linear equation. So therefore it is not a linear equation in two variables. Then next we will go to simultaneous linear equations, which is your exercise first, as it is not considered during this 2020 exam due to pandemic. It has been cancelled, but then afterwards in applications you will need this. So let's try with it. When we think about two linear equations in two variables at the same time, then they are simultaneous equations. Means हमें ये याद रखना है कि जब दो equations आ जाए linear equations, then it is definitely simultaneous linear equations. So let's go for solving. 5x minus 3y is equals to 8. 3x plus y is equals to 2. हमें ये सॉल्व करना है. So let's start. पहले हम गिवन लिखेंगे सॉल्यूशन में and we will give it as a equation number 1 and equation number 2. Then we will multiply both sides of equation 2 by 3. Because क्या है यहाँ पे in simultaneous equation we will need कि अभी कुछ तो कैंसिल करना होगा टू गेट सम वेरिएबल का आंसर. तो इसलिए हम क्या करेंगे, वी विल मैच y विथ सेम कॉन्स्टेंट्स. दैट इज़ यहाँ पे फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में 3y है तो सेकंड हम इक्वेशन में भी हमको 3y चाहिए. तो इसलिए विल मल्टीप्लाई इक्वेशन 2 by 3. लेट्स सी. तो ये हमें नया इक्वेशन मिला. दैट इज़ 3 into 3 9x प्लस 3 into y 3y 3 into 2 6. So we have formed new equation. Then the first equation is 5x minus 3y is equals to 8. Then we will add the equations 1 and 3. We will get, so 5 plus 9 14x and the plus and minus will get cancel. and 8 plus 6, 14. So let's see, 14x is equals to 14, but then when we divide on the both sides by 14, we will get x is equals to 1. So therefore x की value मिल गई, x is equals to 1. Substituting x is equals to 1 in equation 2, because हमें x की value तो मिल गई है. Now we have to find y की value. So equation 2 में डाला, and mostly positive equations में ही substitute करना values, because it would be like error free. इतना सा भी chance नहीं रहता है कि हम mistake कर सकते हैं. 3 into 1 plus y is equals to 3. 3 plus y is equals to 2, y is equals to minus 1. So therefore हमें x और y मिल गया है. X is equals to 1 and y is equals to minus 1, and they can also be written in the coordinate form. So we'll go to the next one, next example. Now this example आपको दिख रहा है ये 15x and 17y, 17x 15y, कुछ तो सिमिलैरिटी है. सो यहाँ पे x फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में x वाला और दूसरे इक्वेशन में y वाले जो ये है कॉन्स्टेंट्स है वो मैच कर रहे हैं. सो इनमें ऐसे थोड़ा सेम लग रहा है. सो विल कॉल दिस एज चंगू मंगू मेथड. सो लेट्स सी हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस चंगू मंगू मेथड. अभी इसमें तो सब सेम लग रहा है. सो वी कांट इवन मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड एनीथिंग, या तो कुछ भी ऑपरेशंस नहीं कर सकते. सो वी विल डायरेक्टली ऐड दीज बोथ इक्वेशंस. In the two equations above, the coefficients of x and y are entering. While solving such equations, we get two simple equations by adding and subtracting the given equations. Let's add the two given equations. So हमें पहले ऐड करते हैं. तो यहाँ पे सब 15 plus 17 32x 32y is equals to 32. So अभी dividing both sides by 32 we get x plus y is equals to 1. ये हमारा हो गया थर्ड इक्वेशन. नाउ लेट्स सब्ट्रैक्ट इक्वेशन 2 फ्रॉम 1. अभी हमने एडिंग किया चंगू मंगू मेथड में. फर्स्ट हम ऐड कर रहे हैं, फिर अभी सब्ट्रैक्ट भी करेंगे. 15x plus 17y is equals to 21 minus 17x plus 15y is equals to 11. तो अभी यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है, एज इफ वी आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग, तो इनकी जो पहले की जो साइंस है दे विल गेट चेंज. तो 17x का पहले पॉजिटिव साइन था, देन अभी नेगेटिव. 15y का भी पॉजिटिव साइन था, तो अभी नेगेटिव हुआ. एंड 11 का भी पॉजिटिव था, तो अभी नेगेटिव हुआ. सो जब हम सब्ट्रैक्शन यूज़ करते हैं तब वी आर चेंजिंग द साइन. देन बाय चेंजिंग द साइन, सो 15 minus 17x is 2x, but the sign of the greater number which is 17x is the greater number, so उसका साइन नेगेटिव है तो इसको भी नेगेटिव ही मिलेगा. 17y minus 15y is 2y, but sign of the greater number is positive, so 2y को प्लस साइन मिलेगा. 21 minus 11 is 10, साइन ऑफ द ग्रेटर नंबर इज पॉजिटिव, सो 10 को भी पॉजिटिव साइन मिलेगा. नाउ डिवाइडिंग इक्वेशन बाय 2 वी गेट माइनस एक्स प्लस वाई इज इक्वल्स टू 5. चलो अभी वी हैव टू इक्वेशंस, एक्स प्लस वाई इज इक्वल्स टू 1 और एक माइनस एक्स प्लस वाई इज इक्वल्स टू 5. अभी ये दो इक्वेशन में कुछ जुगाड़ करना पड़ेगा, तब जाके हमें एक्स एंड वाई की वैल्यूज़ मिलेगी. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. एडिंग इक्वेशन 3 and 4, we will get this equation is fourth one. So adding equations 3 and 4, we get x plus y is equals to 1 minus x plus y is equals to 5. x get cancelled, then 2y is equals to 6. Therefore dividing both sides by 2 we get y is equals to 3. So we got y coordinate, then we will find now the x coordinate. So substituting y in a y value in positive equation, x plus y is equals to 1, then x plus 3 is equals to 1, therefore x is equals to 1 minus 3, and the value is x is equals to minus 2. So we have got these two values, so we will write in the coordinate form, that is minus 2 comma 3. So guys, this is the end. If you gained some knowledge or your doubts have been solved, please do like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.